Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. We're at the inaugural TSX Venture 50 Capital Conference here in the Okanagan. Joining me right now is Chris Gordon. He is the Director of Corporate Development for Integra Resources. Welcome.
Thanks, Jim.
Okay, our first question is, there are over 1,700 companies on the TSX Venture. How does it feel for you guys to be part of that Venture 50?
Well, it's definitely an honor to be classified in with some of our peers and some very strong companies in there, and I think it really is a testament to the team that we have at Integra Resources, from the top down all the way to the bottom. We're a team that's proven that we're able to accomplish things, whether it's a good market or a bad market, and yeah. So it's definitely an honor for sure.
Let's talk about what investors should look for in the rest of 2019 and going forward after that.
Well, it's been a busy year for us, Jim. We're about halfway through a 20,000 meter drill program right now. We have one drill turning on our Florida Mountain project. But more importantly, I think recently, about 3 weeks ago, we updated our resource estimate. So we were able to take a very large chunk of our inferred resource and turn it into measured and indicated and grow the overall resource at the same time to 4.4 million ounces. Okay. So going forward, we're going to continue drilling, metallurgical work, engineering studies and things like that. All of these are culminating into our first economic study coming out this September, where we're expecting to show the market what we see internally as a very strong mine plan going forward with the project. And then as we move into the back half of the year, we're going to start to test some of the high-grade targets as well, as our resource is a low-grade bulk tonnage type of a target. So.
Can you talk a bit about the impact the company has had on the community?
Sure, yeah, we've been involved with the community quite a bit. We held a toy drive there around Christmas time. We've sponsored a rodeo. We participated in a science fair locally there. And we also employ about 15 to 20 people from the town. So we're making inroads in Jordan Valley.
Okay, our last question. Can you talk a bit about what makes your company stand out in your sector?
It's a good question, Jim. I'd have to say perhaps our track record. What we were able to do with our last company, which was called Integra Gold, you may have heard of, is we took that from about 2012 to 2015. We raised about 150 million during that period, drilled over 300,000 meters, and ultimately took it from a 20 million market cap to a sale of just over 600 million to Eldorado Gold. So I think that's probably maybe what separates us from a lot of the other companies out there, is the fact that we're able to aggressively advance projects, aggressively hit the capital markets and raise money, and at the same time we're also marketing quite heavy as well. So those are probably three key things that makes us successful, and we're just in the early stages of repeating that process with the Delamar project that's located in southwest Idaho.
Chris, thank you for joining us.
Very welcome, Jim.